Alright, so I am gonna do it now, okay? I am gonna, with this old phone, I really hope it's gonna work. I already have Linux installed on it. It's not the best version. I really hope it's gonna work because I'm struggling with an old Huawei P9 Lite, something like that. It's working okay, the phone itself, but you know, I need to connect my Wi-Fi adapter, the Alpha card from Amazon that can do packet sniffing, go into monitor mode, aka promiscuous mode. So I'm gonna do the project. I'm gonna walk around in the neighborhood and buildings and stuff like that, and I'm gonna try and capture as many four-way handshakes, or well, connection handshakes and Wi-Fi that I can possibly get my hands on. I'm gonna gather data. I'm gonna take it with me to work. I'm gonna take it with me in the bus when I drive my car, and so on and so on. I will gather as much data as I can, and then I will crack as many as I can using conventional hacking tools to get to the password. What will I use this data for? How will I use this data? I will use it ethically. I will only inform through my website that this amount of people do not know how to create a good password. I will not mention any passwords that's gonna, in some way say where they live. If I found some crazy password, there are no passwords with addresses in RockU and stuff like that, or word list. But I will not make it easy at all for anyone to look at my results and say, where were you? It will be quite impossible. I will not inform on BSSID names or ESSID names. I will say nothing. It will only be surrounding itself about the results and the passwords and the fact that can people choose good passwords. This is a part of my, it's a sidetrack on my current master program where I write about IoT devices, and in this particular test I am testing one of my hypotheses that clearly states that do people actually create strong enough passwords for their Wi-Fi home equipment? And that's a question. So the hypothesis is, I don't believe it. Basically, just to say it out like in speaking form, I don't think they can. I want to prove it. That is my project, and I will do with what I can. Already informed about different ways you guys can support me this kind of project. If you wish to do that, go to my website, go to tools. There are 2 different links below here on how to support me. You can also go ahead and check out more or less any video on my YouTube channel. The same links are there. You can also go ahead and support me in such a way. So I will publish all results, and I will write a small paper about it, about different kind of passwords and how many times they were there, and if there's any kind of pattern going on. I will try and analyze that as well. So basically, I would say I cannot wait to do this. It'll probably be a while before it works because of my extremely limited resource and battery life, and this that my wife donated to me from a store somewhere. She said, I don't use it anymore, it's yours. It's like, okay, I'm gonna do with it what I can, so I really hope it's gonna be enough. So that's gonna be an interesting project, and I really hope you're gonna like it as well. And if you have any questions for it, please just ask below, and I will return as soon as I can. See you again online.